Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I want to show you how to marinate the chicken wings that we can cook it into the oven. So what's this guys? Guys, yung ating chicken wings. At kung makikita nyo siya ay ayan. Chicken wings, ayan. Oh. Bali that's 1 kilo. O ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin ay maglalagay tayo ng toyo first dito. Yan. I-next natin ang ating ang hirap kasi walang ano. Next, that's the soy sauce and red chili. Don't forget guys to put the red chili. That one make it more yummy. And ketchup. Lagyan pa natin ng another little bit soy sauce. Palapot. At ang black pepper. Wait lang guys kasi hindi ko mailalagay ang ating black pepper. Diyan ng black pepper. Ayan. And I also add a little bit of sugar if you can see. And then we can put together the chicken wings and it's better guys to marinate in the night time and we can grill it into tomorrow. Good. And we can add also here the garlic. 3 pieces of garlic. Not the whole, 3 pieces only. And we can add here. Or if you have the powder, garlic powder, you can also add here. Ayan, nag-marinated ako guys ng chicken wings. At i-grilled natin yan. Napakasarap, oh. 'Di ba? Sarap-sarap. Marinate muna natin siya within an hour. Yan. Yan siya. Super yummy.